Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution for Cambridge International AS and A level Mathematics 9709, Variant 2, Paper 5. The session is October number 2024. Today, I shall explain some question of the Paper 5 Probability and Statistics session, October number 2024. The question number 1 is, at a college, the student choose exactly one of tennis, hockey or netball to play. The table shows the number of students in year 1st and year 2 at the college playing each of these sports. The year 1 is tennis, hockey, netball. The number of students are given in the table. One student chosen at random from the 120 student. Event X and N are defined as follows. X is the student in the year 1. N is the student plays netball. So the part A is find P of X and N, and B part is find P of N and X. C, determine whether or not X and N are independent. One of the student who plays netball takes a shot, 8 shots at a goal. On each shot, the probability that she has succeeded is 0.15 independently of all other shots. Part D, find the probability that she succeeded on the fewer than 3 of the shots. So let's start the solution for part A. The solution for P of I, probability of X and N. First of all, I shall explain what is the meaning of P of X N. P of Xn means the probability that the student is in the first year given that they play the netball. This is known as the conditional probability. So P of X of N is equal to P X intersection N over P of N. Now we shall solve this question. Given that is the total number of student is 120 and the total netball player in the year 1st and year 2nd is equal to 40. Netball player in year 1 is 12. So according to the formula of conditional probability, P of X N equal to P of X intersection N over N. So P X intersection is equal to 12 over 120. Student in the first year are 12, and moreover, for P of N netball student in year 1 and year 2 are 40. So P of N equal to 40 over 120. By putting the value of P of X intersection N and P of N after simplification, we get P X of N equal to 0.3. Now, again, the statement is different. The conditional probability is different because P N of X means the probability that the student plays netball. We need to find out the probability that the student plays netball, but they are in first year. Conditional probability is given. They are in first year. So in this case, now the solution is given that as total year 1 student in netball is 50. Netball players in year 1 is equal to 12. Now the conditional probability of P of Nx is equal to P N intersection X over P of X. So first we calculate P N of X, which is equal to 12 over 120. P of X equal to 50 over 120. By putting the value of P and intersection X over P of X, after simplification, we get 6 over 25. 6 over 25. So in the part C, determine whether or not X and N are the independent events. So two events X and N are independent if and only if we can write P of X N equal to P of X dot P of N. So total number of students is equal to 120 as given in the question statement. Probability of P of X is equal to 50 over 120 equal to 5 by 12, and probability of the netball is equal to 40 over 120 equal to 130. P of X is equal to 1 over 10. By putting the value of P of X dot P of N after simplification, we get 5 by 36, and the value of Pxn is equal to 1 by 10. As P of x dot P of n not equal to P of x intersection n, so the event x and n are not independent. Now we solve the part D of this question. We know that this is about the binomial probability, and binomial probability formula is P of x equal to k nk p raised to the power k 1 minus p whole raised to the power n minus k. The given data is the number of shot is n equal to 8. The probability of success on each shot is p equal to 0.15. And the probability of failure is equal to k equal to 1 minus p, which is equal to 0.85. According to the given condition, as the fewer than 3, so P of x less than 3 equal to P of x equal to 0, P of x equal to 1, and P of x equal to 2. By putting this value in the probability in the formula, binomial probability formula, after simplification, we get P of x less than 3 equal to 0.896. This is the probability for less than fewer than 3. Now the question number 2 is, part A, find the number of different arrangement of the 9 letters in the word A, L, G, E, B, R, A, I, C. The part B is, find the number of different arrangement of the 9 letters in the word A, L, G, E, B, R, I, C, in which there are no more than 2 letters between the two A's. Question number 3 is, a fair coin of an ordinary fair 6-sided dice are shown as same are thrown at the same time. The random variable x is defined as, if the coin shows that tail, x is twice the score on the dice. If the coin shows a head, x is the score on the dice if the score is even, and if x is 0 otherwise. F is 0 otherwise. This is the condition that we shall implement on the dice. Part A is, draw the probability distribution table for x. Part B is, find variable x. The question number 4 is, the height in meter of the white pine trees are normally distributed with the mean 19.8 and the standard deviation 2.4. In a certain forest, there are 450 white pine trees. Part A, how many of these trees would you expect to have height less than 18.2 meters? The next part B is, the height in meter of red pine trees are normally distributed with mean 23.4 and standard deviation sigma. It is known that 26% of the red pine trees have height greater than 25.5 meters. Part B, find the value of the sigma. Question number 5 is, in a class of 21 students, there are 10 violinists, 6 as guitarist, 5 as pianist. A group of 7 is to be chosen from these 21 students. The group will consist of 4 violinists, 2 guitarists, and 1 pianist. Part A, in how many ways can a group of 7 be chosen? On another occasion, a group of 5 will be chosen from the 21 students. The group must contain at least 2 violinists, at least 1 guitarist, and at least 1 pianist. B, in how many ways can the group of 5 be chosen? The question number 6 says, team of 15 runners took part in a charity run last Saturday. The times taken in minutes to complete the course by a runner from a Falcon and runner from the Kites are shown in the table. Part A, draw a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram to present the information with the Falcon on the left side, on the left-hand side. Part B is, find the median interquartile range of the time for the Falcon. Let x and y denote the times in minutes of the runner from the Falcon and the runner from the Kites respectively. It is given that summation x equal to 792, summation x square equal to 43504, summation y equal to 783, summation y square equal to 42223. Part C, find the means and the standard deviation of the times taken by all 30 runners from the two teams. The last question is question number 7. In a game, players attempt to score a goal by kicking a ball into a net. The probability that Lanos score a goal is 0.4 on any attempt independently of all the events. The random variable x denotes the number of attempts that takes Lano to score the goal. Part A, find P of x equal to 5. Part B, find P of 3 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 7. The C part is find the probability that Leno score has second goal on or before his fifth attempt. The fourth part is D part is Leno has 75 attempts to score a goal. Use the suitable approximation to find the probability that Leno score more than 25 goals but less than 35 goals. So solution of all these questions can be downloaded from this website. First of all, you need to open the website kingcambrasolution.com. After that, you will click on the rightmost link of login and register. When you click on this, you will find this interface. Then you will click on the sign up link. Then you click on the sign up link. When you click on the sign up link, you will find this interface. Provide your credential, username, email address, and password. After that, you will log in to the website automatically, or you can log in it manually. When you provide the login detail to the on the website, you will in the website. In the course section of the website, click the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find all the courses available on the website. When you click any course, you will find this interface. First, you need to click add to the cart, and after that, you will click on the buy now. After this, by providing all the field necessary for the Stripe, you will buy this course. After the submission button, you will go to on the right top corner combo box, you will go to the order history. When you go to the order history, you will find the order of your course. When you click on the link of the order of your course, you will find this interface. On this interface, you will download all the question of this years. The leftmost icon is for the file icon and the second icon is for the video. You will find the solution of all questions in the form of PDF and video file. See you in the next past paper session. Best of luck. Thank you.